protocol that we couldn't see in the last lecture. Okay, fine. It is based on the CIDR, classless interdomain routing, right? And question is, an organization is granted a block which is starting with 190.100.0.0/16. The ISP, internet service provider, wants to distribute these addresses, right? From this IP address, we will be able to identify how many addresses are there, right? And those IP addresses to be distributed among three groups. Okay, three groups of the customer. First group is like that. It should have 64 customer with each needing 256 addresses, right? પહેલું ગ્રુપ એવું છે જેમાં ટોટલ 64 કસ્ટમર છે અને 64 કસ્ટમર ને કેટલા જોઈએ છે? ઓછામાં ઓછા ટોટલ 256 IP એડ્રેસ જોઈએ છે, રાઈટ? દેન સેકન્ડ ગ્રુપ એવો છે કે એમાં ટોટલ 128 કસ્ટમર છે અને એક કસ્ટમર ને જોઈએ છે 128 એડ્રેસીસ. એન્ડ થર્ડ ગ્રુપ હેઝ ધ 128 કસ્ટમર and each needs 64 addresses, right? So we want to distribute the IP addresses, right, which we can identify from this IP address, right, or this notation, and then we have to distribute those IP addresses to these three groups, right? So here subnets are not three. Total તમારા subnet 3 નથી. Subnets કેટલા છે? Actually 3 છે, પણ that subnet is also divided into 64 subnets. Then second subnet is going to be distributed in that is again further divided into 128, and third one will be again further divided into 120, and each customer is your subnet, right? That is, each customer will need how many IP addresses in the first group? 256. બીજું ગ્રુપ એવું છે, મને ટોટલ 128 કસ્ટમર જોઈએ છે અને 128 કસ્ટમર ને ઓછામાં ઓછા કેટલા જોઈએ છે? સોરી, એક્ઝેક્ટલી 128 IP addresses જોઈએ છે, રાઈટ? સો મારી પાસે સબનેટ નંબર 1, સબનેટ નંબર 2, સબનેટ નંબર 3, સબનેટ નંબર 4 અપ ટુ સબનેટ નંબર 128, રાઈટ? અને એક સબનેટ ની અંદર કેટલા જોઈએ છે? 128 IP addresses. અને થર્ડ ગ્રુપ એવું છે, એમાં પણ મને 128 કસ્ટમર જોઈએ છે અને બધાની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ કેટલી છે? 64 IP addresses, right? And now the second, I think question માં બીજું પણ માંગ્યું છે. Okay, design the sub blocks. That is it. Okay, we have to design these sub blocks. That means whatever group you are finding, right, we have to identify the range of that particular subnet, right? Sorry. Okay, so here, okay, so what we are going to do from the given IP address, right, we are going to find how many IP addresses are that. So we are having this IP address, so I'm writing given an IP, this we can say number of bits in block ID is what? How many block ID bits? 16. All of you getting this? Why am I writing 16? Because it is /16, and as you know, in the CIDR we have a.b.c.d/n, where n represent number of bits in the block ID. So here /16 means number of bits in the block ID. All of you getting this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so number of the bits in the host ID will be કેટલા આવશે? 32 minus 16, right? Total 32 bits IP address hoy, એમાંથી we are going to subtract how many bits? 16. So we are going to have 16 bits for the host ID. So from that we can say number of IP addresses are 2⁻16. 2⁻16. All of you getting why it is 16? Because we are getting this 16. I am not writing from this. I am not writing from this /16. What I am doing? 32 minus 16 જે પણ answer આવશે, that will be number of the IP addresses. ખબર છે બધાને આટલું? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so number of IP addresses are 65536 IP addresses. If you will calculate 2⁻16, it will be 65536 IP addresses. Now we have to distribute these many IP addresses, right, to three groups. first group with the 64 customers. I'm just writing here first. The first group with the 64 IP addresses. Okay. Now what we are going to do? પેલું ગ્રુપ મને એવું જોઈએ છે, મને ટોટલ 64 કસ્ટમર જોઈએ છે and 64 કસ્ટમર ની અંદર મને ટોટલ 256 IP addresses જોઈએ છે. So that means in the question we are given number of host per subnet, right? Why? Because 256 IP addresses જોઈએ છે. So number of host per subnet equal to 2 raised to h. Formula is 2 raised to h, right? So what will be the value of h? Number of the host per subnet કેટલા પછી 256 equal to 2 raised to h, right? Equal to 2 raised to h. So what will be the value of h? Can anybody tell me? So how's h ની value? કેવી રીતે find થશે? Log 256 divided by log 2, right? It will be 8, right? Log 256 divided by log 2, answer will be 8. So number of the bits in the host ID for the particular subnet, right? For this particular group, first group, it will be 8. That means we can say that prefix, right? Prefix will be what? 32 minus 8, right? મારે જે a.b.c.d /n લખવાનું છે for each and every subblock. For that I'm going to find this slash notation, and this slash notation is given only for to identify total IP addresses, right? Now મારે હવે ને subnets માં divide કરવાના છે, તો મારે again I have to write in this slash notation. So I'm just finding what can be the slash notation. So it is 32 minus 8, answer is 24. So we can say /24 is the notation for the first group. Okay. So now કેટલા groups મને જોઈએ છે? Sorry, કેટલા customer જોઈએ છે? 64. ખબર પડે છે બધાને? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can anybody tell me what can be the range for the first customer? Okay, I'm just writing group 1, right? Here, sorry, customer 1, પહેલા customer, right? મને total કેટલા customer જોઈએ છે? 64 customer જોઈએ છે, right? So I'm going to start with the customer 1. Okay, લખાઓ 190.100.0.0. Obviously first type address will start from the 0 slash what we are going to write 24. Okay, કેટલા જોઈએ છે મને? 256. So obviously it will be 190.100.0.255/24. First customer done થઈ ગયું, જેને 256 IP addresses જોતા હતા, 0 થી લઈને 255. Total will be 256. Getting everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, customer 2 માટે શું આવશે? It will be 190.100. હવે શું આવશે? As you can see 0 ની range over થઈ ગઈ, 0.0 થી લઈને 0.255. total IP address પૂરા થઈ ગયા. So I'm going to start with the 1.0/24 થી લઈને 190.100.1.255/24. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so likewise we are going up to કેટલા customer? કેટલા જોઈએ છે આપણને total? 64. So obviously 64th customer, sorry, customer number 64, any range શું આવશે? 190.100. Now here as we are starting from this 0, so it will be 63. 0 પણ consider કરવાનું છે, 64 પણ consider કરવાનું છે. So obviously it will be 63/24 થી લઈને 190.100.63.255/24. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can say that total IP address is allocated in the group 1 are કેટલા જોઈએ છે 64 કસ્ટમર multiplied by બધાને કેટલા જોઈએ છે 256 રાઈટ ટોટલ મારી પાસે 64 કસ્ટમર છે બધાને 256 IP addresses જોઈએ છે so 16384 will be the answer. Out of 65536 I have already allocated how many IP addresses? 16,384. Getting everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we are
ma'am.
going to start with the second group. Okay, we are going to start with the second group. Okay, in which we want 128 customer with the 128 IP addresses. Okay. Now, same thing we are going to do. First of all, we are going to find the slash notation because here now the number of the customer is more than the previous one. So it may be possible that the slash notation will be changed, right? So I'm just taking everything as it is and just going to change the value wherever it is necessary. Sorry. Okay, so here number of the customers are 128, right? So here value for the H will be so also 7, right? 128 divided by log 2, it will be 7. So obviously prefix notation will be 32 minus 7. Answer also 25. Getting? Are we getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what can be the range? What can be the range for the group 2? How many customer we want? 128, right? So here I'm just writing customer 1. Range will obviously start from the 190.100. See, previously applicants will use 63. Now we are going to start from the 64.0 slash it will be 25, right? Not 24, it will be 25. T line so say sorry. So say last IP address for the customer 1. કેટલા જોઈએ છે
127.
Okay, 127/25. Total we want 128 IP addresses in each customer for each customer. So obviously it will be 0 to 127. So second customer je hase, right? It will be what? 128 થી લઈને 255. It will be 128 to 255. So here we can say that 256 IP addresses are distributed between two customers for the range 64 dot something, right? 64 વાળી series બે customer ની અંદર divide થશે. Customer 1 માટે 0 થી 127, customer 2 માટે 128 થી 255. Likewise, if you see here for the customer 3 and customer 4, obviously it will be what? It will be 65.0 થી લઈને 65.127. Customer number 4 માટે 65.128 થી લઈને 65.255. Getting everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 128th customer, right? If you will go further, right? Customer number 128. So what's the range? Can anybody tell me what can be the range? So as you can see, 127 also? Yes. 127.128/25 થી લઈને 190.100.127.255/25. Okay, you have to divide between 2 customer. મને total જોઈએ છે 128. So 128 divided by 2 કરશો, it will be 64. તો આપણે ચાલુ 64 થી કરીએ છે, તો 64 plus 64 it will be 128. So it will be 127. 64 આપણે consider કરીએ છે, that is why it is 127. ખબર પડે છે બધાને why it is 127? નહીં ખબર પડી તો please ask me. Okay, because of this 128 customer, we are using the same range between the two customers. So 128 divided by 2 તમારે કરવા પડશે. Good. Now third group with the third group with the sorry, it is here. Okay, third group, it also require 128 customer, but here I think need is different. Right, it is only 64. Customer મને 128 જ જોઈએ છે, પણ મને IP address કેટલા distribute કરવાના છે? 64. So instead of the 128, it will be 64. So અહીંયા આવશે 64 equal to 2 raised to h. So it will be 64 divided by log 2. It is 6. It is 6. So it will be 32 minus 6. So prefix notation, obviously it will be 26. Okay, now we are going to write the range. Okay, so here group number 3, customer number 1. Here we have used 127. So we are going to start with the 128, dot 0 slash 26 થી લઈને 128.63 slash 25, because our need is now what? Only 64 customer, right? Sorry, yes, IP addresses. So for the customer 1, we are going to distribute 64 addresses. So 0 થી લઈને 63. Second customer માટે શું આવશે? 128.64 slash 25 થી લઈને 190.128.127 slash 25. Customer number 3, 190.128.128 slash 25 થી લઈને 190.128.192, sorry, 191 slash 250. Sorry, 25. And customer number 4, 190.100.128.192 slash 25 થી લઈને 255. Okay, it is 26, right? It's my mistake. It is 26. Slash notation is 26. Oh, sorry. Okay, so all of you getting this? The range of the 128 is divided between the 4 customer, as each of is having the requirement of only 64 customer. So 256 IP address can be distributed within the 4 customer. And our total customer કેટલા છે? 128. So what you have to do? 128 divided by 4 કરવાનું. Getting? So it is 32. So here 128 plus 32, so also 160. So obviously, yes, 159. Customer number 128 is going to have the IP address. So I'm writing here, customer number 128 is going to have 190.100. Here it will be 159.192 slash 26 થી લઈને 190.100.159.55 slash 26. All of you getting this? Why I'm writing this? 159 કેવી રીતે આવ્યું?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Because our need is what? 64 customers. That is why we are dividing within the 4 customer. There's one range, that is 128.0, 64, 128. 128 વાળું 4 customer ની અંદર divide થાય છે. So obviously 128 divided by 4 કરશો, it will be 64. So 128 plus 64 करसो it will be 160. So as you are considering 128 as well, so it will be 159. I hope all of you are getting this. Okay, I think group number 2 में આપણે એક વસ્તુ calculate કરવાના રહી ગયા. Total IP address is allocated. Right? So here I am writing total IP address is allocated in the group number 2 and group number 3. Right? So group number 2 માં કેટલા જોતા હતા આપણને 128 customer અને 128 IP addresses. 128 into 128. Right? Answer is it will be 16384. Right? અને અહીંયા આવશે group 3 માં right, it is 128 customer but the need is now only 64, right? So it will be 8192. Clear? So now if you will see 8192 plus 16384 plus 16384 addition જેટલો બી થશે એટલે આપણો total IP address use થયા હશે, right? So 8192 plus 16384 plus 16384 it will be total 40,960, right? Total IP addresses distributed are 16384 plus 16384 plus 8192, it will be 40960. Right? So these many IP addresses we have allocated out of how many IP addresses? 65536. So you can say that મારી પાસે અત્યારે કેટલા IP address બચ્યા? 24,576. Okay. After the allocation, we have the 24,576 IP addresses remaining. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. एक minute. Okay, all of you can attendance position बताए. एक काम करो. Listen, 10. Right, હું નામ બોલું ખાલી એન્ડોમેન્ટ નંબર લખાઈ દેજો તમારા. બાદલ